Hi, everyone. This is Zach Ledford from HR technology and consulting company, Eljun LLC, and I'm joined by Ali, a professional services architect from SnapLogic.
Hi, everyone.
So in this short demo, we're going to talk about people analytics using SnapLogic. So the use case here is we're going to look at any type of metadata change that happens inside of the HRIS, in this case, Workday. So if there's a manager change, a department change, location change, email or contact information, anything that might happen from the day-to-day for a worker inside of your organization. We're going to capture that automatically, pull it into a cloud data warehousing solution, in this case Snowflake, track those reasons, and also put a timeline for when those things happened, when those changes occurred. That'll then enable us to set up a cornerstone of a full people data model. So this really is the foundational element to conduct that activity. And we'll show you a sample of what that can look like inside of a dashboard that we built in Google Data Studio. So Ali, I'll kick it over to you, and I think we're starting off in Workday.
That is correct. So basically what we have is a sample employee within Workday, and their email address was changed from this email address to this email address here. So going into the pipeline, what this SnapLogic pipeline would do is retrieve the employee information from Workday, runs a series of analysis, and inputs that information to the Snowflake SCD2 Snap. And this will actually tell us or track the latest employee information from Workday, and also tell you and track the fields that have been modified. So we actually can see that this pipeline has been executed on the Norman Chan employee within Workday, which is this sample employee. And as we see, upon the completion of this executed pipeline, we could actually go into the Snowflake table and see this employee's record along with what has been modified. So here we have the employee information listed. First name, last name, legal name, the work email. So if you notice, the work email is now the latest email, normanchan@workday.net. Previously, it was nchan@workday.net. And then scrolling on over to the right, we can actually see what has been changed, actual fields that have been modified. So just looking for that here. Let's see, we have, yes, here we are. There's like a record change reason, and we can see email listed. So basically, what this table would track is the latest personnel information along with what has been modified. So if more information, more fields have been modified, you would see that comma separated within this field in this table. Additionally, dashboards can pull that information from Snowflake. So we have this dashboard listed here that is actually pulling that information from Snowflake.
Great, thanks. Yeah, and so this is a dashboard we built over at Eljun to kind of highlight the capability or the power that this type of automated data pool has. So we can see employee breakouts over time, locations, the employee to manager ratio, and what that looks like changing over time. And if we scroll down just a little bit, we can start to see what happens when we start merging this information in with things like clocking activity in your time and attendance system. So your total overtime as a percentage of hours, how much we're paying in wages, pulling information from payroll. And this really unlocks a powerful capability where we're taking your people data at its root, what we just went through, and then enriching it with your operations data, your finance data, things that allow you to build out a holistic model to understand what your people are doing, how much they cost, and how you can find opportunities to make things better. So that's it for this short demo. We'll go ahead and call it there. If you're interested in learning how SnapLogic and Eljun LLC can help you to automate, streamline, and save, go ahead and reach out today. We can't wait to hear from you. Thanks.